Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how to set up MeTube using Docker Desktop on Windows. If you don't know, Docker is a platform that lets you run applications inside isolated environments called containers, making installation and managing much easier. MeTube is an open source web interface created by Alexa Maya oh sorry 69. It's use yt-dlp internally to process support media from compatibility websites through a simple browse. Let's go. The first step is gonna download the Docker desktop. If you use Mac, you download for Mac. If you use Windows, download for Windows. If you use Linux, download for Linux. Today I gonna download for Windows because this is my system. You're gonna take some time to download the Docker. When it's finished, I will return. Okay, the Docker desktop installation already completed. You're gonna open the archive. It's gonna take some time because my PC is not too good. You're gonna per use installation recommended. You added the shortcut to desktop. You're gonna click on OK. The Docker desktop is already styling on your PC. It's gonna take some time too. Okay, the installation is set. You're gonna click and close. You're gonna to open the Docker desktop right here. You're gonna wait. You're gonna accept the Docker subscription server agreement. I do not get my mail. If you want, you can do. I'm gonna need some time to Docker starting the Docker engine too. When the engine is already running, you can click on search. You can write MeTube. You're gonna click on Alexa 69 MeTube. You're gonna click in run. You're gonna need some time to download too. Okay, the container is already downloaded. You can see that status. So you're gonna run the container. Okay, you can see the container is already running on your PC 6 seconds ago. You're gonna return on MeTube Alexa. You're gonna below right here. You're gonna copy this code, run using Docker. Okay, copy it. You're gonna open your terminal if you on Mac or if you're on Windows. You're gonna open the terminal on Mac or the CMD on Windows. Okay, you're gonna open. You're gonna paste the code. You can see the image is already downloaded. Status download our image. Okay, the Docker is already running. I think this code is permission the image run on your navigator. I think after the container is already running, you're gonna open your navigator. You're gonna write localhost 8081. You're gonna enter. You can see the MeTube is already running, but I don't go show the thing you can download because I think the copyrights can down my video. So I gonna show up how you can use MeTube. So right here you can enter the video, the channel or playlist, and right here you can change the type of archive, like you can download a video, audio or caption or thumbnail. The format of the archive is like mp3, opus, atv. and you can choose the quality too. If you want a bad archive with a high quality or less quality, you can choose. If you click right here on advanced options, you can set up the name of your archives you downloaded, and it's other thing you can set to items limits of a playlist or something. You can import the URLs like right here. You can paste so much music is whatever you want. If you don't have a playlist, you can paste the link for a link for download a big quantity of music or videos if you want. Okay, so right here is the place when you click is gonna take their keys. Yeah, I think is gonna pushing from the YouTube their keys, and the download is complete. You can download right here. Okay, so is that I gonna say something for everyone is watching the video. I gonna say is like please use this software if you responsibility, because downloading or using copyrighted content without permission may violate copyright laws or the terms of the service of the platform or you using. Only download content you have a permission to do so, or and it's your own content or available under an appropriate license. It's like you can download uncopyrighted songs or uncopyrighted videos, or download your own things, you know. It's like that. I i say to you, please everyone, use this software with your responsibility. Okay, I gonna show up the credits, and I take a special thanks to Alexa69 for creating and maintain MeTube. You can see he's updating every week, every month. He's taking some minutes of the codes. If you do like to support the project, check out the official GitHub repository linked in the description below. I think is that the container is already running. You can download any video if you want. Is that. Thank you to everyone.